Imagine a world where rice farming operates with smart technologies. Machines plant, drones monitor, and AI manages the fields with precision. China's automated rice farming is turning this vision into reality, reshaping traditional agriculture with cutting-edge technology. This bold leap in technology transforms old methods with modern tools and smart devices. Witness how China is leading a revolution that feeds millions while redefining efficiency and sustainability. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest breakthroughs transforming our world. In Sichuan, China's automated rice farming enters a new phase with modern equipment. In Chengdu City, farmers face a season called double rush, where planting and harvesting happen quickly. They now use an unmanned rice transplanter that works by itself. This new device applies Internet of Things tech to plant rice seedlings with accurate spacing. The machine helps reduce extra work and speeds up rice farming. Farmers benefit from more efficient planting and reduced costs. With this tech, the field sees steady progress, and even hybrid rice farming methods are getting a boost. The approach changes old practices with precise machine work. This marks a new era where smart systems shape agriculture and push forward China's automated rice farming. Across China, early rice is now collected by modern machines, marking a big shift in China's automated rice farming. Over 80% of early rice is harvested by advanced devices. Farmers use thousands of combine harvesters, rice transplanters, and drying machines. These machines help cut down on extra work and boost precision in rice farming. The method speeds up the collection process and supports hybrid rice farming projects as well. Smart systems like satellite checks and computer-aided crop analysis help maintain quality. The technology shows clear benefits by reducing labor and saving time. Each device plays its role to ensure a smooth harvest. In Jiangsu, a new method for growing rice seedlings is taking shape under China's automated rice farming. Farmers now use high-tech tools during the busy summer period called sanxia. This term means 3 important farming tasks in summer: harvesting, sowing, and field care. Farmers work hard to transplant rice with great care. Modern tools such as automated rice transplanters, drones for pest checks, and smart irrigation systems help in rice farming. These tools make the work less hard and increase crop output. They also support hybrid rice farming experiments. In Heilongjiang, a northeastern province of China known for its vast farmlands, advanced technology is revolutionizing rice cultivation. Farmers in the region are adopting smart agricultural tools to enhance efficiency, reduce labor, and boost productivity. One of the leading advancements in this transformation is China's automated rice farming, which integrates cutting-edge machinery with precision technology. A major breakthrough in this field is the deployment of unmanned rice transplanters, which operate with the guidance of Beidou satellite technology. These autonomous machines accurately plant rice seedlings in straight, evenly spaced rows, ensuring optimal growing conditions. This precision improves seedling survival rates and promotes higher crop yields. Unlike traditional methods that required a large workforce and extensive manual labor, these machines can cover vast areas quickly, making large-scale rice farming more efficient. The technology also plays a crucial role in advancing hybrid rice farming, a method pioneered by China to increase rice production. By placing each seedling with exact precision, the automated system maximizes plant spacing, allowing for better air circulation, nutrient absorption, and sunlight exposure. This results in healthier plants, reduced competition for resources, and ultimately, higher grain output. Another key benefit of automation in rice farming is the significant reduction in labor costs. In the past, rice transplantation required teams of workers bending over in flooded fields for hours. Today, a single operator can oversee multiple machines, dramatically cutting down on physical labor while increasing efficiency. This shift is particularly vital as rural populations decline, leading to a shortage of traditional farm workers. China's investment in smart agriculture aligns with its broader goals of food security and sustainability. The use of automated machinery not only modernizes rice farming, but also helps conserve water and reduce wastage. Key factors in ensuring long-term agricultural success. Heilongjiang's embrace of these innovations showcases how technology is transforming one of the world's oldest farming practices into a highly efficient, high-tech industry. Chinese researchers have made a breakthrough by speeding up the rice growing cycle in desert greenhouses. Under China's automated rice farming, scientists harvested fast-ripening rice in northern Xinjiang. The rice grew and was ready in 2 months, half the time of traditional crops. This success shows how controlled environments boost rice farming. Techniques like advanced irrigation and climate control help crops thrive in harsh conditions. The method also opens doors for hybrid rice farming in new regions. By cutting growth time, these breakthroughs promise more efficient production. The achievement is a strong sign of how modern technology can change farming practices. It brings hope to expanding rice cultivation to regions once thought too harsh for growing rice under China's automated rice farming. In southern China, the harvest of early rice uses smart machines to speed up work. China's automated rice farming plays a major role in this high-tech era. Farmers in provinces like Hunan and Jiangxi rely on modern combine harvesters to collect crops. The work lasts around 20 days during mid-July to early August. The smart devices help make rice farming efficient. They also boost hybrid rice farming techniques by ensuring even planting and precise harvesting. Thousands of machines work together, reducing manual labor and saving time. The new methods increase the mechanization rate to more than 95%. This smart system transforms the old way of hand-picking rice and sets a new standard under China's automated rice farming. In provinces such as Shanxi, Shandong, and in the Xinjiang region, large-scale planting of what some call seawater rice has begun. China's automated rice farming supports this novel project. The rice strain grows in salty soil near the sea. It uses a special gene from wild rice to resist salt and alkali. This work has roots that go back to studies since the 1950s. New efforts now use smart methods that also touch on rice farming techniques. They encourage hybrid rice farming to test these traits. The project became popular after a top agricultural scientist began work in 2012. With modern technology and precise tools, This method promises more resilient rice crops. In Heilongjiang, China's biggest grain region, modern tools lead a shift in farming. China's automated rice farming takes center stage as machines handle much of the work. Intelligent irrigation systems adjust water levels on their own. Cameras and sensors check the health of rice farming crops. Drones fly above, gathering images and data to help plan better field work. Farmers rely on a cloud-based system to analyze this data. This smart approach supports hybrid rice farming experiments and helps resolve field problems quickly. Fewer people work in the paddies, but the output increases. The new tools boost productivity and lower costs. These changes show a clear trend towards high-tech, efficient agriculture under China's automated rice farming. In Guangdong's Guangzhou city, modern methods have reshaped local rice farming. China's automated rice farming is evident in the high-tech agricultural park of Zhengcheng district. This area is known for its special Ximiao rice. The park uses smart technology, including a 5G platform, to guide the whole process. Sensors in the field monitor soil moisture, fertility, and weather changes. Farmers use these readings to adjust actions quickly. Remote systems help fend off pests and diseases. This blend of technology supports both traditional rice farming and hybrid rice farming methods. It cuts down on extra work and improves crop quality. The high-tech setup shows how local farming can become modern and efficient through China's automated rice farming.